Hello students, today we are going to start our third chapter of class 12th accountancy, that is comparative statement. In this video, we are going to discuss what is comparative statement and do some numericals. So let's start. So what is comparative statement? First of all, we have to know what is financial statement. So in class 11th, you prepared financial statement which contain the figures of assets, liabilities, revenues, expenses and profit and loss of enterprise, but not reveal the earning capacity. So we use some tools of analyzing the financial statements of the company by comparative statement, common size statement, accounting ratios and cash flow statement. There are many more methods, but in this book you have to study only these 4 methods. So first of all, what is comparative statement? When the financial statements figures for 2 or more years are placed side by side to facilitate the comparison, these are called comparative financial statement. We place the figures of current year and previous year to make comparison. Okay? By this, it indicate increase and decrease in the figures from one year to another. These statements may also show the change from one year to another year in percentage form. Such comparative statements are the great value in forming the opinion regarding the progress of enterprise. Okay, so it is very useful tool. What is importance of comparative statement? It make data very simpler and more understandable, because only by seeing the financial statement we do not know the financial condition of the company. So comparative statement is quite helpful and it indicate the trends. What are trends? That what are the figures are changing, what are the production changing, revenue, etc. Indicate the strong and weak point of the company. It helps in finding what are the weak points and what are the strongest point of the company, and finding out the reason for the weakness of the concern, and help in taking corrective measures. To compare the company's performance with average performance of the industry, there are some benchmarks, or we can say the standards, which are made for comparing actual performance. So by comparing your performance, you can get that what are the weakness of your performance and what are the weak point of your performance, and you can control it. To help in forecasting, it also helps in forecasting about the condition of the management, profitability and soundness of the business. So comparative statement is quite helpful for the company for analyzing the condition of the company. So what are the techniques of presenting comparative statement? First of all, absolute data are presented in rupees only. Then you can show the increase and decrease of data. If there is increase, it will written in same manner, but if there is negative, then you should bring it in bracket. And after that, we compare the data by current year figures upon previous year figure. And after that, you can find out the average revenue from operation, that is cumulative figure and averages. That is revenue from operation is equal to summation of X, that is profit upon number of years. Okay. So these are the methods which are used for making comparative statement. First of all, we made balance sheet, the comparative balance sheet. So this is the format of comparative balance sheet. All you know about the content of balance sheet, what are included in balance sheet, the equity and liabilities. The columns are current year, previous year column is first, and after that current year, absolute change which can find out by B minus A, that is current year figure minus previous year figure, and after that the absolute change is divided by previous year data into 100, because we have to find it in percentage change, and for this we have to multiply the data by 100. Okay, so this is the format. There is first, second, third, fourth and fifth column, and after that the previous year, the current year, the absolute change and percentage change column. Okay. Now comparative statement of profit and loss. Just like balance sheet, we also make the comparative statement of profit and loss of the company. It helps us to find increase and decrease in revenue of operation, cost of material consumed, income and expenses, their decrease and increase, and net profit increase and decrease. This is the format of comparative profit and loss statement. It is just like balance sheet, that is previous year, current year, absolute change and percentage change. Okay. Now the first question we are going to discuss, it is from D.K. Goel, the third question of practical. It is the figure which are given. It is a current year figure and it is a previous year figure, because it is a 2016 and 17 is a recent year. Okay. You can pause here video and make comparative statement, and after that you can compare it from the solution. So here is the solution. The first of all, there is share capital. The previous year data is 400 and current year data is 375. So there is difference in negative. How you can find it? B minus A, that is 370 is minus by 400, that is minus 25. The negative balance is shown in bracket, and after that you can find out the percentage. How you can find out the percentage? That is 25 is divided by previous year data, that is 400 into 100, right? You can easily find out. So this is 6.25, that is given here. Okay. So you can easily find out the percentage change by placing absolute data first and after that placing the previous year data into 100. Second is reserves and surpluses, that is previous year is 60, current year is 72. 72 minus by 60, that is 12, and 12 upon 60 into 100 is 20. You can easily find out how it is calculated. The absolute figure is 12 and previous year figure is 60 into 100, right? So 20 will be your answer. Okay. After that, net non-current liabilities. So previous year is 90, current year is 150. Then absolute figure is 60 upon 90 into 100, that is 66.67. Then previous year is 140, 133, there is negative balance which is shown in bracket, and absolute data is divided by previous year data into 100, that is 5. Okay. After finding all of these, you can make the total column, and just the same formula B minus A, that is 730 is less by 690, that is 40, and divided by 40 is divided by 690 into 100, that is 5.80. Okay. After that, all the figures are placed same as you place all the figure in above. Non-current assets is 400, 600. The figure is 600 minus 400, that is 200, and 200 is divided by 400 into 100, that is 50%. So by this, placing all the data in column, that is previous year column, current year column, absolute change, that will be found in B minus A, and after that percentage change, that is C upon A, that is absolute figure upon previous year figure into 100, you can find out the D, that is percentage change. It is very quite easy, you can easily solve them. Now, how you can calculate comparative statement, or you make comparative statement in profit and loss account? It is quite easy as balance sheet. So you have to remember the format of balance sheet and profit and loss account. After that, you are able to solve comparative statements. Okay. So first of all, what are the figure given? It is the 5th question of practical of D.K. Goyal. You can easily find them. Revenue from operation, it is a current year and it is a previous year. Cost of material consumed and other expenses. Here interest on investment is given. So it is not a financial company because it is not mentioned in question. So interest on investment is other income. So here is the solution. Revenue from operation, the previous year is 10 lakh, current year is 12 lakh 50,000. The difference between 12 lakh 50,000 minus 10 lakh, it is 2 lakh 50,000, and 2 lakh 50,000 is divided by 10 into 100 is 25%. How it is calculated? The absolute figure, that is 2 lakh 50,000 divided by 10 lakh into 100, right? It is quite easy, just like balance sheet. Now, as you know, there is the figure is given other income, that is investment, interest on investment. So it is placed in other incomes, that is 50,000, 50,000. There is no change because 50,000 minus 50,000 is 0, and that is why there is no percentage change. After that, you may make the total column, that is total revenue, first plus second head, 10 lakh 50,000, 13 lakh, 13 lakh minus 10 lakh 50,000, that is 2 lakh 50,000, and after that 2 lakh 50,000 is divided by 10 lakh 50,000, that is 23.81. Next is expenses. So cost of material consumed, previous year is 6 lakh, current year is 7 lakh 20,000, 1 lakh 20,000 is divided by 6 lakh, and the percentage change is 20%. After that, other expenses is 40,000, previous year, current year is 38, there is negative balance of 2,000 which is divided by 40,000 into 100, that is negative percentage, that is 5%. And after that, you have to make total column, total expenses, 6 lakh 50,000, 7 lakh 58,000, 7,58,000 is less by 6,40,000, that is 1,18,000, and 1,18,000 is divided by 6,40,000 into 100, that is 18.44. And profit before tax, how it is find out? 10,50,000 is less by 6,50,000. 13 lakh is less by 7,58,000, and after that these figures are find out profit before tax. Okay, quite easy, you can easily solve them. Now another question, that is 11th question of DKGOL practical question. You have to find out gross profit. So how you can find out gross profit? All the figures can be easily put in comparative statement, but you have to find out 20% of gross profit because other expenses is not given, so you have to find gross profit, okay, of different year, previous year and current year. It is current is a year and it is a previous year. So here is the solution. First of all, gross profit is find out. Here is the formula, revenue from operation minus cost of material consumed. So revenue from operation is given 6 lakh of previous year and current year is 8 lakh. Okay. So 6 lakh, the previous year profit is 6 lakhs minus 4,50,000 cost of material consumed, that is 1,50,000. And previous year profit is 1,50,000, then current year is 8 lakh less by 4,80,000, that is cost of material consumed already given in question, and the gross profit is 3,20,000. Okay. In question it is given that 20% of gross profit in current year and 10% of gross profit in previous year. So 20% of current year, that is 1516, 3,20,000, 20% is 64,000, and 1,50,000, 10% is 15,000. So it is other expenses which is placed here. You can easily see here. It is very easy. You have to remember how to find out gross profit, and after that you can easily put them in the format. How to calculate the tax? Whatever profit you got, that is profit before tax, you have to find out 40%. It means 1,35,000 into 40% upon 100. Okay. So what is 40%? It is 54,000. Okay, 54,000. It is less from the tax. To find out profit after tax, oh, it is given here, that is 54, and that is 1,02,400. Okay, and same as you can find out absolute figures and percentage change as you calculated in previous questions. Okay, so here the video ends. You have to solve all the numerical of comparative statement because it is quite easy, it is very easy, you can easily solve them. And in next video we are going to study the common size statements. Okay, thank you.